Okay, today we're going to talk about how we electronically sign documents in Office Suite. But before we do, I want to go over how documents are created first. So let's do this. First, we have to go into a client to create a document. Okay? Because that way the document knows what kind of information to have. Now, we would want to create a document. We would push this button here and we'd create that document. However, first let me show you how the information gets to the document. First of all, a lot of the information in a document would be coming from the client's name and address and their phone number. So information that you've already entered into the client. Okay, and then we have other information that we can use tabs for. Now in this case, we created a tab for a moving company. And we've named the tab Moving Details. As you see here, we have what we call text boxes. Okay, so we have text input boxes where we just put information in. We have drop-down boxes where you can preset the information to make it easier so you don't have to type so much. And we have text area boxes for large amounts of data. And so you put the information here and you save it before leaving. And this is information that's stored in the client's file. Okay, then when you create the document, it has the information to pull into the document. So the next question is, where's the document come from? Well, the document starts off as a template. Okay, so we go to templates here. And you can see that we have a number of different templates. And let's go just go to moving template so you can see what it looks like. So when we go to the moving template, we can see that there are these different fields in here, these links. Okay, and so here's a link for the client's name. Okay, so how does that get in here? Well, we have information that's stored in these areas here. Okay, so that is just you figure out where you want it to be. You put your cursor there. You can add information here. So if we go ahead and just add a name, you can see it throws that in there like that. Okay, so this is a template, so we're saving the document that's going to pull information in. Well, I'm not going to save that, so I'm just going to back out of that. So if I just go out and I don't save it, nothing's lost. So you can upload, you can see here we can create something from scratch. You can upload, create it from a Word document, or you can just, after you've done it, you can edit it any which way you want. And then you name it and it comes in over here. So let's go back to the, let's see how we have a client e-sign a document. Okay, so let's go back to the client. And we have documents, a number of documents in here already. But let's just show you how we go ahead and e-sign one of those documents, okay? So we click here and we can see here it says set up for signing. Okay, so that would be the document. Let's say if we created it today, we set that up for signing. So here we have that document. It pulled the information and shows the date of the move, where they're moving to, the client's name. So page by page you can go through it. In this particular document, it only requires signing one person's signature on the very last page. Now you can have multiple signatures, but let's just go over one at this point and show you how it's done. So we add a signature spot like this and it just pops up in the corner and we drag that down. And we want to make that the size that we, that's going to fit here best. So let's make it nice and tall and a nice big signature. There we go. And we'll just drag it right over top of that line. In fact, we can make it even a little bit bigger. So there you have it. So we put the signature right there. So now we want to say who is supposed to sign it. So I right click it right here and I set the signee right like this. Now I've set it so that it gets sent to me so we can show you what it looks like when Sharon Williams perhaps gets it. Okay, so we go ahead and set that and it's done. So we're going to save and send this document for all signatures. We want one signature and it's going to be sent to my email address and I'll save and send it. Boom, that's done. Okay, so then basically that's it. It's done and we can just move out of this here. So we go to email documents here and we can view the status and it says that there's on page 3 we need one signature, has not been seen, has not been signed, and it was sent to Sharon Williams. So let's go check that out. There we go. And it's being sent here. So it says here, Big Muscle Movers has requested your signature. Click here. And so we'll go to, there's no signature on the first page, nothing on the second page. So this is the document. I get to see, it says click here to sign. Pretty obvious. I click on it. For security, it's very important that we have this two-step process, because for security what we've done is ask the client, instead of using a code that you have to send to them and then they have to look for it and it may go to the junk mail, they'd have to know this information which few people are privy to of another person. So we ask for the last four digits of the Social Security, passport, or driver's license. You pick whichever one you want. So we put in here whatever last four digits that would be, and it says please type your signature here. So we go Sharon Williams. There we go. Done. Sign and date. It puts it right there. Nice. All set. So what do you do next? Save and return to sender. Boom. Thank you for signing. The document creator will be in contact. You can now close this page. Now we have page 3, one signature, seen in this, signed, and by Sharon Williams. So that takes care of that. So what's next? So we come over here and we can approve the signatures. We come to this page and we know it's on the last page, the signature, and we can see it here, the Sharon Williams, and click on it, confirm the signature. Last four digits of Social Security that I put on there is 2547. Now for one more level of security, you can call the client at this point and confirm. Thanks, Sharon. I appreciate you getting the document back to me. I just want to confirm the last four digits of your social is 2547. Yep, that was me. Okay, great. And you confirm it. And it turns it green. Basically, you just save and send this document to all the signatories just like that. And then the status now here shows finalized. And it shows me here, you can see showed a receipt of the document here, my inbox. We can see there's she gets a copy of your document and the signature at the bottom. You can notice that you get an alert here and it says there is a document that was signed, and you click on it and it takes you right to the document, and that's all there is to it.